1. Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of DevOps, a modern approach that's transforming how software is developed, deployed, and maintained. Whether you're a developer, an IT professional, or just curious about tech, DevOps has something for you. So, let's get started. 2. What is DevOps? So what exactly is DevOps? Well, DevOps is a combination of practices, tools, and cultural philosophies that merge software development, or dev, with its operations. Ops, its goal, to shorten the development lifecycle and deliver high-quality software faster and more reliably. In simple terms, DevOps helps bridge the gap between developing code and running it smoothly in production. 3. Key principles of DevOps. 1 minute. DevOps is based on a few key principles. First, there's collaboration, breaking down silos between development and operations teams. By working together, they can solve issues faster and share insights. Next, automation is essential. Automation tools, like for continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, make it easy to test, deploy, and monitor code quickly. Then there's continuous improvement. In DevOps, teams are always learning from feedback and optimizing processes. Lastly, monitoring plays a crucial role. By continuously monitoring systems, teams can detect issues before they impact users, which is critical for keeping applications reliable. 4. Benefits of DevOps. So, why is DevOps important? For one, it speeds up the time it takes to release new features, so teams can deliver updates faster. This also means software quality improves as issues are caught earlier, making applications more reliable. Another huge benefit is teamwork. DevOps promotes better collaboration between dev and ops, leading to a happier and more efficient team. 5. Common DevOps tools, 20 to 30 seconds. Now let's talk tools. Some popular DevOps tools include Jenkins for CI/CD pipelines, Docker and Kubernetes for containerization, Git for version control, and Ansible for configuration management. These tools help automate processes, manage code, and maintain infrastructure seamlessly. 6. Closing. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a good introduction to DevOps. If you're interested in learning more, stay tuned for upcoming videos where I'll dive deeper into DevOps tools and practices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.